We're about to do a lot of traveling this summer, and my stepdaughter is going to university, so she's gonna have a lot of shoes she needs to pack in her suitcase, and we all know we don't want dirty shoes mixing with our clothes. So I came across these shoe bags, and I'm gonna be trying them out for the very first time. This is a pack of 10. They do come in different colors, and the reason that I really liked these, that what caught my eye, is you have this little plastic see-through strip right here, so when your shoes are inside, you can actually see which shoes they are. You don't have to open them up and be like, which ones are these? I'm testing these out with my husband's shoes. He wears a size 11, so if these fit, then we are good to go. And definitely, I'm not seeing any issue right there. And check that out. So the shoes are inside. You've got just like this little drawstring up at the top, and this is perfect because, again, you know, like obviously I'm not sticking like soaking wet shoes in here. That's not going to protect your clothing from that. Nothing that's super muddy and crazy, but just, you know, your everyday shoes that you're wearing. We don't want those touching our clothes. So having a bag like this, and as I said, you've got this great window here so we can see what shoes they are instead of having to open every single bag. So yeah, if you need a way to store your shoes, this would even be great, you know, if you're just putting these in your closet and you don't have any kind of rack or anything like that, just popping them in here. I think that's awesome.